Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Today's video is by far the most requested video that I get asked to make, and that's how do I make my bows? How do I make a perfect bow? So that's what I'm going to be showing you today, a simple, quick, and easy way to make a perfect bow. So let's jump into this and let me show you just how easy it is to make the perfect bow using a couple different ribbons and some twine, of course. Okay, so let's get to making some bows. I'm gonna start off with just a simple ribbon that has the same print on both sides. There really is no bad side or good side to this ribbon. I'm gonna take the ribbon, I'm gonna wrap it around my index finger and my middle finger because that's the size loop for my bow that I want. Then I'm gonna pinch it with my thumb and my index finger. I'm gonna take my ribbon and wrap it around my thumb and my index finger. When I wrap my ribbon, I make sure that my ribbon is straight all the way around, that it's not bent, it's not twisted. Then I'm gonna take and I'm gonna push my ribbon through this loop here that I wrapped around my thumb and index finger. And I'm gonna pull it tight, keeping my ribbon straight, not letting it twist. Tightening it up, I'm gonna pull my tails to give me the size loop for my bow that I want. And I'm gonna have to tighten it again. I'm gonna tighten it, I'm gonna pull a little bit more, and I'm gonna tighten it one last time. And there you have a perfect bow. This is an easier bow because the pattern on your bow is the same on both sides. And like I said, there is no right side or wrong side. I'm gonna make one here with twine because twine is pretty simple and it should be pretty easy to follow along with. I'm gonna wrap it around my two fingers, making the loop size that I wanna make. I'm gonna wrap this around the loop and then I'm gonna push it through the loop. And the key with twine is pulling it really tight. You want your twine tight. You're gonna pull your tails to get the loop size that you want for your bow. And there you have a simple twine bow. When working with a ribbon that has a right side like this and a wrong side, you're gonna do it the same. I'm gonna wrap my ribbon around my two fingers, then I'm gonna pinch with my thumb and my index finger. When I wrap my ribbon around my two fingers, for this bow, because if we were to push it through, now we're gonna be on the wrong side of our ribbon. You're gonna have a loop with the right side and the wrong side. So I'm gonna wrap it around my finger and pinch. And when I wrap this piece around, I'm actually going to twist it, just like so. I'm gonna twist it and fold it so you can see the wrong side of the ribbon. So that way, when I push it through the hole here, I've got the right side on both loops. And there again, you have a perfect bow. And that is how you would do it, like I said, when you have a print on one side and no print on the other, and you want both the loops of your bow to have the print. You want to fold over your ribbon and twist it just a bit when you're wrapping it around your thumb. I'm gonna do this again with a thicker wired ribbon. I'm gonna get my loop to the size that I want it. I'm gonna wrap it around the loop here. You can see where I wrapped it around. I'm gonna take and just place my ribbon through that loop, keeping the ribbon straight. That is the most important part, is making sure that your ribbon is not twisting as you pull it through, and that everything stays straight and neat. And as you pull it, to shorten your loops, you want to make sure that your ribbon doesn't twist as well while you're pulling it through. And there again, you have a perfect bow. It really is simple. I hope this video helped you all with how I make my perfect bows. It really is just as simple as making sure that your ribbon stays straight and it's not twisting up as you're making the bow. This video is by far one of the most requested videos that I get asked. And there you have it. That is how I make my bows. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.